Welcome to Odontos Eduversity. Odontos Eduversity is India's premier finishing school for dentists, providing hands-on specialized training in various clinical skills. Our commitment to excellence and hands-on learning is what that sets us apart. The General Dentistry course at Odontos Eduversity spans a specific duration, to be precise 3 to 4 months. The curriculum covers essential topics related to general dentistry, equipping clinicians with foundational knowledge and practical skills. Experienced and renowned dental professionals lead the program, ensuring high-quality education. Students gain practical experience through clinical sessions, workshops, and exposure to cutting-edge dental equipments. The primary focus of the general dentistry course is to equip dental surgeons with right and advanced latest information and knowledge for their success in private practice. The institution is equipped with an OPG machine, B-class autoclave, a lot of endomotors and apex locators, giving in-depth knowledge and great clinical hands-on experience to our participants. Odontos Eduversity provides conducive environment for hands-on training. Students practice on real patients under guidance. The Academy's modern facilities enhance the learning experience. After completing the general dentistry course, students are well prepared for a successful career in dentistry. Whether you aspire to work in a private practice of your own or join clinics or hospitals, Odontos Eduversity equips you with the necessary skills. Keep following this page and our YouTube channel for all the latest information regarding our institution. Odontos Eduversity will love to see you over here. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.